The hat decoration. We'll use red yarn. Working into a chain, first make a slip knot in this way. Put the hook into the loop. Pull the yarn to tighten the loop. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. In row 1, start with 26 chain stitches, ch. Mark the left loop of the first chain stitch, ch. Continue to work chain stitches, ch. There will be 26 chain stitches, ch, in total. 3 chain stitches, ch, are done. Please finish the rest 23 chain stitches, ch, by yourself. 26 chain stitches, ch, are done. Turn, skip the first 2 chain stitches, ch, and work 24 double crochets, dc, from the third chain stitch, ch, through the left loops of the chains.
Double crochet. First, work 3 chain stitches. Okay, turn over the fabric. We are going to work a double crochet. Yarn around hook. Insert hook into the stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn around hook. Pull through the first 2 loops on hook. There are 2 loops left on the hook now. Yarn around hook. Pull through the remaining 2 loops on hook. That's a double crochet.
Mark the first double crochet, dc, and continue to work double crochets, dc, in the same way. Finish a total of 24 double crochets, dc, in this round. Three double crochets, dc, are done. Please finish the rest 21 double crochets, dc, by yourself. 24 double crochets, dc, are done. Row 1 is done. In row 2, start with 2 chain stitches, ch. Turn the fabric. Work 24 double crochets, dc. 3 double crochets, DC, are done. Please finish the rest 21 double crochets, DC, by yourself. "24 double crochets, DC, are done. Row 2 is done. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Pull the tail out. The hat decoration is completed.